Did you know this parrot helps other animals find food in the rainforest? The Scarlet Macaw, scientifically known as Macaw, is a large parrot native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It measures about 32 to 36 inches long, weighs around 2 to 2.5 pounds, and has a wingspan close to 4 feet. Scarlet macaws live high in the forest canopy and travel in loud pairs or small groups. Their unique behavior is acting as a forest signal. When they feed loudly, other animals follow to food sources. Scarlet macaws can live over 50 years in the wild. Let's protect this animal before it's gone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next wild moment.